You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, one of the longest words in English. It's a medical term if you want to learn more. Confusing, absolutely impossible to pronounce words. Make sure to stay tuned. I've got tons more at the end, coming up at the end of the video. So, English pronunciation, thyroparathyroidectomy. I know it's a mouthful. Thyroparathyroidectomy. 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 Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.